Welcome to the channel. Today we'll be talking about web view custom error. So if you have a browser app, or you have an app which loads a URL and you want to show a custom error, maybe you want to let them reload the page inside the error, you want to let them reload the website, or as the case may be. So let me show us the practical know-how of what I'm saying. For instance, I enter a website, google.com. If we search it, it will load. So let me enter a website that doesn't even exist. I don't think it exists. So instead of showing the default, it will show us our normal error. We show our own custom error. Or if the user search with internet, no internet access, it will show this custom error. So when they want the data, they can just click on this reload button to reload. So it has reloaded. So we're going to do it in Sketchware. So the first thing you do is you add a linear. So I'm going to first add a linear 2. So the orientation should be vertical. Then you add your web view. You add your web view widget. Then you can use edit text or search view to search for this, for users to be able to input the URL. So the web view must be match parents. Then you click on main.xml custom view, add a custom view. Any name you put, make sure you remember it. You can put any name. So I put my name as error_custom. This project will be available on Sketchly, error_view. So you add this event, you come click on view, click on this file button. You add both on page started and on page finish. On page started, this is the code you add. So we're going to remove all views. That is, we're going to remove our custom view. This happens when there is no error, when the website is 100% accessible. So we're going to remove our custom view with that code. The project will be on Sketchly. Then on page finish, so we add this code with our custom. We create a view called custom_view. In this view, is going to add a view form. It's going to inflate our layout file. Mine was error_custom view. Error_view. You can put yours as anything. So I'm defining both text view 1, my text view 2. I'm defining it, and I'm also defining my button. So any view you are going to carry out action, you must make sure you define it. So if you are not going to set on click listener, you're not going to use any code in the view, you don't need to define the view. So we need to define our view whenever we need to carry out action on it. So this code, so when button 1 is clicked, we are setting on click, it should reload. So when this button is clicked, when there is an error response, when the button is clicked, we click on this button to reload, just the way Chrome does it or other browser. So we are going to remove the web view. Here we remove all views of linear 1 and added our custom_view. Custom_view holds our custom layout file, which is error. So we inflated it using this code. So like I say, because I'm working on only that and build buttons, so that's why I define them. Any view you will not If you notice, I didn't define my email view and this please subscribe, which I actually want you to subscribe. So I didn't define this. Sorry, I didn't define this, and I didn't define my email view because I'm not going to work on it. So any view you are going to work on, you need to define it. For instance, if you are going to change the background color, change the text on a text view, set on click listener, set on touch listener, or as the case may be, you need to define it in your Java class or your activity. So that is it. Thank you. Please subscribe. Project will be in the description. Thank you.